Introducing the Divina Dell'Acqua white round countertop basin with tap hole, part of Italtile's Divina house brand, a curated collection of deluxe decor ranges inspired by global design trends and tailored for local tastes. The Divina Dell'Acqua round countertop basin is as stylish and modern as it is practical and affordable. Featuring a smooth, white gloss finish, this round ceramic basin is easy to keep clean, thanks to the absence of sharp corners or other hard-to-reach nooks and crannies, allowing you to wipe its generous surface area with little effort. Located in the center of the basin's flat deck is a single circular tap hole. This standard size and placement allows for easy installation and use with most modern tapware options. The centered tap hole also ensures a comfortable reach for both hot and cold water control, whether you prefer a single mixer tap or separate hot and cold handles. The basin's overall compact, uncluttered design also makes it ideal for smaller bathrooms, offering a sense of serenity and calm that will complement many bathroom design styles. Sustainability is at the core of Italtile's Divina house brand, and the Dell'Acqua white round countertop basin with tap hole is no exception, offering impeccable eco-chic credentials. Experience the beauty and value of the Divina Dell'Acqua white round countertop basin with tap hole, as its modern elegance and versatility seamlessly coordinates with a wide range of bathroom design styles and color palettes. Shop the entire Divina collection online or in-store today and discover your perfect bathroom ensemble.